Hi students. So in the last class we started with unit number 3. It was about water and we read a story about a boy named Vijay who liked so much water. He wasted so much water, right? And then one day his mother took him to his uncle's place and we read the story that he was very sleepy, so he went off and suddenly there was so much noise outside his room, but he was very sleepy, so he fell back to sleep. Now let us read the story ahead. Everyone remembers the story, right? Yes. This is the second part of the story. What happened the next morning? The next morning, Vijay got up and went to the bathroom. When he opened the tap, there was no water. He looked around and found water stored in many buckets. He was surprised and asked his cousin about it. His cousin Rajesh explained that there was no water anywhere. It had not rained for a couple of years and all the lakes had dried up. They had to depend on some water that came from one tap, and they had to keep awake to see that they did not miss it, as it could come any day, any time. Last night, luckily the water had come, but it might be days before it came again. Till then, they would have to only use the water they had collected in the night. Rajesh told Vijay to be careful and not to waste water. If the family ran out of water, they would have to buy water from someone else, and it was expensive. Rajesh gave Vijay some examples of ways to use water wisely. He gave Vijay a glass of water and told him to use it for brushing his teeth. He told Vijay to take a bath with a very small amount of water in a bucket. He told Vijay to save the water used for washing his clothes so it could be used again later. Okay, these are the ways in which we can use water wisely. We should never waste water. Vijay was surprised. He had never imagined that there could be a place where water was so scarce. His cousin laughed at Vijay and said, Vijay, you use too much water every day. Soon there will be less rain and you may have the same problems that we are facing now. You should learn to save water. Water is so important to people that it has inspired art, songs, and poems. Here is a poem about water by Mary Oliver. Mary Oliver is a well known American poet who loves water. She lives near the ocean and writes many simple but beautiful poems about the nature around her. She writes about shore birds, water snakes, humpback whales, the ponds, and the harbor where she likes to take long walks. So, here we have completed the story. The story talks about how we should use water very wisely. We should not waste water, right? So, we have ended the story here. We stopped the story here, but I am giving you a homework that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, you have to write an essay on the given topic. The topic of essay is using water wisely. On this, you have to write an essay. Now, how do you write an essay? You should write an essay of around 150 to 200 words. The essay should have a at least 3 paragraphs. First paragraph should be of introduction, then main content, and last may you have to conclude. Okay, so last may we will write conclusion. Introduction mein what will we write? We should write about water is scarce. From where do we get water? We get water from rivers, ocean, seas, rains and all. Why is water so important? What all work we can do with water? What is the life without water? Everything you should write over here. Then main content may you have to write how can people use water wisely? How can people not waste water? And in the end, you have to conclude by saying that we should not waste water because water is so precious. Like this, you have to write a conclusion for the essay, right? So please write this essay in your notebook. Okay, you will write this after you complete unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. In unit 3 you will write this essay first. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, so this is the homework you have to do today. Okay, till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.